In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the look and feel of your Power BI date slicer, allowing for better customization and personalized aesthetics. Whether you're creating a report for work, school, or personal use, customizing the look of your date slicer can make a significant difference in how engaging and intuitive your report becomes. First, let's dive into Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is your go-to software application for creating and managing visual data reports. If you haven't already launched it, go ahead and open Power BI Desktop on your computer. Once you're in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that Power BI is up and running, you'll want to import your data. This data might come in many forms, such as spreadsheets, databases, or even online services, but for our purposes, we'll focus specifically on ensuring your dataset includes links to photos or images. These images may enhance your visuals, providing a clearer representation of the data insights you intend to convey. Simply use the import function at the top of the screen to select and bring in your dataset. Once your data is imported, it's time to set your focus on the visualization pane, which is typically located on the right-hand side. From here, you're going to create a date slicer. To do this, look for the slicer option in the visualization pane and select it. Creating a date slicer will allow interaction with temporal data in an easier and more intuitive way for users viewing your report. Now, after adding the date slicer, you'll see it appear on your report canvas. Here's where the magic of customization happens. If you want to change the appearance of this slicer to better fit the theme or aesthetics of your report, you're going to need to right-click on the slicer itself. With a right-click, various settings and options become available to you. Please take some time to explore the different customizations available. This includes altering aspects such as the font size, colors, date formats, and even the orientation of the slicer. Feel free to experiment as this process is non-destructive, meaning any changes you make can be easily reverted or adjusted further until you find the right look. For instance, if you have a corporate color scheme or a visual theme for your storytelling in mind, you can tailor the slicer accordingly. By taking these steps, you ensure that your Power BI report is not only functional, but also visually appealing, striking a perfect balance between usability and design. Doing this enhances the storytelling capacity of your data, making it easier for users to draw meaningful insights and understand trends at a glance. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to explore other customization options available in Power BI to continue mastering this powerful tool